Thomas and Friends. 10 Engine Friends. The sun shines on Tidmouth Sheds, where one of the engines is ready to greet the day. It's Thomas, engine number 1. He peeps hello to Sir Topham Hatt. Sir Topham Hatt has a surprise for the engines. Fresh coats of paint. Edward, engine number 2, chugs to town to pick up 2 cans of each color. Henry, engine number 3, is due at the station in 3 minutes. But instead, he stops in a tunnel, so the rain won't spoil his new paint. Gordon, engine number 4, would never let the rain stop him. But here is something that will stop him. 4 cows on the tracks. Sir Topham Hatt gives James, engine number 5, a really special job. He will deliver flowers to 5 different festivals on Sodor today. Percy, engine number 6, delivers the same thing every day, the mail. He doesn't mind, because everyone is happy to see him. Today, he delivers 6 boxes of mail. At the station, 7 passengers are waiting. Here comes Toby, engine number 7, to pick them all up. The railway is busy today. Duck, engine number 8, goes to the yard to get more cars for the other trains. On the way, he passes 8 signals. The last job of the day is for Donald, engine number 9. Donald's driver loads 9 shovels full of coal onto Donald's tender. After a long day's work, Douglas, engine number 10, heads to the shed. All 10 engines, Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Donald, and Douglas, deserve a rest.
If you'd like to read more with us, we've got plenty more books we'd love to share with you, and hit subscribe below. Thank you.